What's up? It's your girl Nemo, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today we are joined once again by Tina, our lovely volunteer. Today she's going to help us test out 4 hair color removing methods. Please leave a like and subscribe, it really helps me out, and I'm going to go ahead and get into it. I will go ahead and put up a picture of the colors I used so you can see what we're actually using this on. Now to get into the 4 methods we're going to be trying out. The first one is the vitamin C method, which I've used on my hair several times and have not had much success with. However, I've never used it on these specific shades that we're trying on today, so maybe we'll have more success today. I'm not hopeful, but we'll see. This method is not damaging. It is very drying to the hair, so just something to keep in mind. And how you do it is you crush up vitamin C pills, mix it in with dandruff shampoo and dish soap, and just mix it together until it's a good consistency, and then apply it to damp hair. And then you just let it sit for however long you want. I wouldn't do more than maybe 40 minutes just because of how drying it is. So yeah. The second method we're going to be trying out is the baking soda method. Now there's a lot of different recipes for this. I've seen probably a dozen different formulas on YouTube when doing my research on this method. But the main things that never change is that you have baking soda, developer, or actual hydrogen peroxide, dish soap, and either dandruff shampoo or purple shampoo. I'm going to use dandruff shampoo today. The third method we're going to be trying out is the classic color oops. I've never used this on myself. I've avoided it like the plague because it's said to have a very pungent, disgusting smell of rotten eggs. And it lingers. Like, you can wash your hair multiple times and it will still smell like rotten eggs. And I'm just not about that, so that's why I've never used it on my hair, but thankfully Tina is gracious enough to lend us a piece of her hair for this experiment. So yeah, we'll just do the colors on one quadrant. And for the last section of hair, we'll be doing a bleach bath, which is just bleach mixed up as you normally would and then diluted with shampoo. I'll be using dandruff shampoo for that as well. 3 of these methods, it's just eyeballing the consistency, so I will show myself mixing it up so you can see exactly how I do it. You really just want to get it to a decent thickness and apply it to where it's going to be easy to move around and apply to the hair. If it's too thick, that's going to be difficult. If it's too thin, that's going to be difficult. So you just got to figure it out as you go. Now that that's all applied, I'm going to give this about 15 minutes. The color oops is the only thing that specifies a time, and it's said to process for about 20 minutes. It's already been on there for at least 5 minutes, so 15 more minutes ought to do it, and we'll see where we are with everything. So far, I can see a difference in the bleach and the baking soda method. Also, the color oops is not nearly as smelly as I feared. It doesn't smell like rotten eggs. It's not a pleasant smell, don't get me wrong, like I don't enjoy the smell at all. Like it is strong and it is unpleasant, but it's not rotten eggs. It's not the worst thing I've ever smelled. It's not something that I couldn't deal with. So I'm glad I did this because now I'm a lot less concerned about using it in the future on my own hair if I need to, which I'm sure that day will come. Yeah, 15 minutes and I will be rinsing her. All of these methods are known to be drying, so I'll probably give her a good condition as well before I come back, and then I will show you the results. Y'all ready for this? We're about to get really anticlimactic up in this bead. Not what I expected at all. I don't know about you. Let me, if I can pull Tina up a little more. Come on, Tina. So, we'll go section by section. There is like some change, but as you can tell, overall, not much happened. To my shock, I thought at least 2 of these would work pretty well, but we've got the vitamin C section here, which no surprise to me that this didn't work. The bottom, the green on the bottom is looking a little dingy. I guess it did kind of take the orange out a bit. I'm not really seeing orange. So it did fade the orange. Okay. It's something. We've got the baking soda method back here, which faded the red a little bit. The red's a little more orangey now. Down here it's just looking dingy. The green is faded a little bit, I guess. Purple has faded a little bit. Like a little bit of fading. Nothing significant. Definitely not the results you'd be wanting if you're trying to remove the color. We've got the color oops section, and it actually faded the red a bit. There was red up here, I'm pretty sure. The red and the orange, so it took care of the more warmer tones, it looks like. Like no orange down here, no red up here, so. And then we've got the bleach back here, which I expected to perform the best. No, I don't think so. I guess the purple is mostly gone. There should be purple down here, but all I see is orange and green. Faded a bit, but it's still super vibrant, still super bright overall. I guess I see this as an opportunity to try out even more color removing methods. If you have any suggestions, please let me know down in the comments down below, and we will try out some more color removing methods in the future. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. It really helps me out, and it's a free way to support my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Peace, love, God bless.